Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to enable night mode camera on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the camera over here like this. And right now, as you can see right now, this has not been enabled to the night mode. So if I wanted to enable the night mode, or if I wanted to make it happen, what you need to just make sure that it should be having a surrounding which is completely dark. For me right now, this is actually not dark. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just using my hand here and I'm just going to cover on the camera to make a recreation of a back kind of an atmosphere. So I'm just going to do like this. When I go over here like this, as you can see, over here at the top, you'll be see a moon kind of an icon. So I'll do one thing, I'll just remove my hands. Right now it's quite visible, but if I go over here, keep my hands right now and make sure it's completely dark, you can see there is a moon kind of an icon which represent the night mode. Now we can make few more changes here. So if I go over here, tap on this icon, or like this, it is turned off right now. If I want to turn it off, go back and do like this. Right now it is being night mode is turned on. Now if you wanted to make more changes, just go over here, press and hold for a couple of seconds. Now we have these options. We have now night mode, and we have over here you can set the timer kind of 4 seconds if you wanted, or if you wanted the flash to be done, you can do that as well. So in my case, I have turned it off the flash and I've just keep this on auto 2 seconds over here. And also we have an option to turn off over here the night mode as well. Now I'll keep this as it is, and when you wanted to take any kind of photos or something, you can just go over here and tap on it and wait for a couple of seconds. Right now the image will be taken over here like this. So just make sure that you have to create a black kind or a complete black atmosphere so to get activated over here like this. And this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.